As the cost of living continues to impact citizens the world over, this evening we speak to Jamaicans living in the United States. Romardo Lyons has part one of TVJ's In Focus report, Hunting Greener Grass.
Many Jamaicans pack suitcases with hope, leaving behind the comforts of Jamaica in search of better. But what many think is a walk in the park is actually a manhunt by bills.
It's not easy over here, isn't it? It's not easy. It's well tough over here.
Yeah, we have to do 2 and 3 jobs.
Both were born in Jamaica. They now call New York home. Omar Brown left 3 years ago and works 6 days a week at a restaurant, a sure source of income. But even with that surety,
No, we're foreign on a bed of roads. No, if on the street, no gold in the line, no money in the line in the street, no at all where you go to the street. And I like Jamaica where you can go link to a dog, them or you know, cook some food or you wake up and broke today, you can share. I go link me and tell my cousin for your pay. That's not their foreign. Every man for themselves, just say, is it?
Colleen Nicholas works at a hotel in New York. Her shift starts as early as 5 a.m., but with cost of living tugging at her pockets.
And all I work for is to pay rent and bills. It's not easy. And it's only like 7 hours we work, and it's not a lot of money. It's just a small amount of money. We don't even get maybe $400 or $500 a week. And that's all I have to pay my rent. My rent is over $2,000.
She has children and home ownership would be ideal. But can that happen anytime soon?
No, you're crazy? No. I have to find a rich husband first.
Like her, many are stuck with rent, and the figures are hefty. According to apartments.com, only 1% of apartments in New York cost below $700 per month. 10% between $1,500 and $2,000. 83% above $2,000. That's 316,000 Jamaican dollars. And after all that, Miss Nicholas still has other expenses.
I have to pay phone bill, send children to college, send children to high school. It's not easy.
Now food, another recipe for debt. We checked on some much sought after items at several grocery stores in the state. Bread, $4, 632 Jamaican dollars. 3 pounds of chicken, almost $19, 3,000 Jamaican dollars. Kids' favorite, cereal, from $9 to $11, 1,700 Jamaican dollars. Mr. Brown says the American dream is a financial nightmare.
The real dream, and for people like me and you, they must sit on a movie and this pretty foreign thing, a movie sign them there. Is it real foreign dream, and for me and you? You have to just come and set up work, to save the money and get out.
However, Miss Nicholas is still hopeful.
Unfortunately, it's not a bed of roses because I don't have 2 chains around my neck and no fantangles around my hand. It's not a bed of roses. It's really, really hard. But many people come here have to sleep on floors, and yeah, I had to do that before.
In part 2, we explore options available for personal development and hear from the New York-based Caribbean Migrant Services. Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.